The Home Depot credit card in 2025 is a solid choice for anyone who frequently shops at Home Depot, whether you're a homeowner, a DIY enthusiast, or a professional contractor. After using the card for a few months, I've found it to be particularly useful for financing larger projects and enjoying exclusive deals. One of the standout features is the deferred interest financing, which applies to purchases of $290 or more. You have up to 6 months to pay off your balance without accruing interest, but it's important to note that if you don't pay it off in full, the interest will be retroactively applied. For larger projects, the project loan option is a game changer, allowing you to borrow up to $55,000 at a fixed monthly payment. The card comes with no annual fee, making it a budget-friendly option for regular Home Depot shoppers. However, the variable APR, ranging from 17.99% to 26.99%, is on the higher side, so carrying a balance beyond the promotional period can become expensive. One of my favorite aspects is the exclusive discounts and promotional deals that are only available to cardholders throughout the year. While it's not a traditional rewards card, these savings often feel like added bonuses. The Home Depot app and website make managing the card a breeze. You can easily track spending, view your promotional balance, and make payments online. However, the lack of a cashback or reward system might deter some people who are looking for ongoing perks. Additionally, the deferred interest model requires careful planning to avoid unexpected costs. Overall, the Home Depot credit card is a great option for those planning renovations or tackling big home improvement projects. While it may not offer traditional rewards, its financing options and cardholder exclusive savings make it a valuable tool for anyone who frequently shops at Home Depot. Just be mindful of the terms and use it strategically to maximize its benefits.